Hi Hal, in this video we are going to learn about what is JDK and what is JRE and what are the difference between the JDK and JRE. Before explaining this JDK and JRE, let me try to explain how to download the JDK 8 and how to install it. Thing is, why I am explaining JDK 8 download process is, in most of the companies we are using JDK 17, but still few companies are using JDK 8. So few people are pinging me and asking like JDK 8 as well. So I am going to download JDK. Uh, I am going to download JDK 8 now. For that, let's go to the here Google and then search for JDK. Already I tried for this one. I can show you again JDK 8 download. You can search for JDK 8 download in the Google, then it will come here. You can see www.oracle.com. This is the official website. Just click on this archives download. You come down here. You can see Java SC Development Kit 8 series. If you come down here, these are Linux, but our operating system is a Windows based operating system. So I want the Windows software here. You can see Windows x86 is there, Windows x64 is there. Windows x86 nothing but the this is the 32-bit software. Generally, if you take any software, that software is available in two types. One is 32-bit and 64-bit. This 86 nothing but the 32-bit software. 64 nothing but the 64-bit software. It's based on the which software we need to download is it's based upon the our operating system. So my operating system supports 64-bit. So I am downloading 64 one. You can see Windows X 64. Just go here and click on this one. It is asking like download. Just accept this Oracle binary code language license agreement and click on this one. It will get download. It will try to download that software. It is asking something here. 1 second. Let me see. To download this older ones, right? We need a Oracle account here. Yeah, you can see now. Now I'm able to log in now, and it is downloading that JDK 8 Windows X 64 exe. It takes around 47 seconds. Anyhow, I have downloaded this one already. You just need to I will show you downloaded and okay, let it get download completely. 27 seconds. Let's wait for few seconds and then it will get complete. Still few companies using the older JDK 8 version, so they are trying to migrate to JDK 17. Most of the companies are using JDK 17 currently. That's why in my previous tutorial I explained JDK 17 download process and installing process. Yeah, anyhow it's downloaded. You can just click on this one, it will go to the download location. Then you can go here. You can use run as administrator. Then you can use click and then it will get install JDK in your local machine. I have already done this one. So go to this location C drive. Inside C drive, where I'm having program files here. Inside program files, you can see Java. Here I'm having JDK 1.8 2.2. So now I am able to install the JDK in my local machine. Now let's come to the JDK and JRE. JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. Why we are using the JDK is this JDK we are using for developing the Java applications, and JDK provides the below tools for developing the Java applications. If you want to develop any Java applications, right, we need few tools. Those tools are providing by the JDK software, nothing but the Java development kit. Those tools are called, those tools are Java C. This is nothing but the Java compiler, and Java is nothing but the Java loader, and then archive nothing but the jar command, and then Java doc nothing but the Java documentation. If you use Java C command, right, this Java C command will be used for compiling the our Java applications, and then the Java command is used for the running our Java applications, and then this is jar command. This jar command is for archiving the files. Archiving the files means if you want to create any zip file, if you want to create any jar file or war file, then we will use, if you want to create any jar file, right, we will use this jar command. And then the Java doc command is for if you want to get any, if you want to generate any documentation for your application, at that time we will use this Java doc command. This is the information about the Java development kit. And then coming to JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JRE stands for the Java Runtime Environment. It provides the runtime environment for running the Java applications. JRE contains JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Why this Java Virtual Machine is, I mean, when we JRE contains Java Virtual Machine, I will create a separate video on JVM in future tutorials because it's a big topic. It takes around 2 to 3 hours to explain JVM. I will explain. I will create a separate video on this JVM in future classes. And then the second one is it contains set of libraries like rt.jar file will be there. In our JDK JRE, this jar file is very important because whatever the core classes are there, like string class, you can see string class, string buffer class, all these classes are available inside this rt.jar file. So that's why this is the main important jar file available inside JRE, and then it contains other files as well. Okay, and please note that JVM is part of JRE, not part of JDK. Okay, coming to I will try to explain with help of one diagram where JDK is available, where JRE is available, where JVM is available. After explaining the diagram, practically I will open my JDK in my local system, and then I will show you where is JDK, where is JRE. Okay, yeah, let me open one diagram here. I have written on diagram for you here. Let me click on this one. Still opening. You can see, let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see. Let us assume this is my entire system here, entire my computer system. Inside this computer system, I have downloaded JDK. That JDK is nothing but a Java development kit. Inside this development kit, you can observe two things here. One is JDK, one is JDK is here. Let me zoom out. JDK here, and then one more is Java runtime environment. Inside JDK, we will have all the development tools like Java C, Java, Javadoc, jar, and other extra tools will be available here. But when it comes to the Java runtime environment, right, this JRE contains first one is JVM. It contains the JVM and set of library files like rt.jar file and other extra jar files will be there, and then other files will be available. This entire JDK is available in my C drive, in my system, in my computer. So let me open my C drive now. Go to C drive now. Yeah, you can see this is my C drive. Go to, I have downloaded 64 software, right, 64-bit Java software. That's why I'm going with program files here. Inside these program files, if you come here, you can see Java folder is there. Inside Java, you can see JDK and JRE. Okay, if you first open JDK, you can see this is my JDK. As per this diagram, this entire JDK is this one. This is JDK. Until JDK 1.8.022, right? This is the JDK. Inside JDK, I want to show you where is JDK. Go inside bin. This is nothing but the JDK tools here. Whatever tools I have told you, right? Java, Java C, Java Doc, and then jar. All those tools are available inside this bin folder. If you want, I can show you here. The first one is Java Doc, java.exe. This is a Java tool. and then jar.exe. This is a jar tool, and then java c. This is a java compiler command, and then java doc. Apart from this, you can see other extra commands as well. You can see java p is there, and then java w is there, and then jcmd is there. You can see schema gen, some xml related commands also available. You can see schema generator. This is for generating the schema when we are when if you get any chance to work with xml. And then rim registry is there, rmic is there. These are all the development tools. So the by using these development tools, we will develop the java applications. The first part is clear, right? JDK. Then coming to JRE. So I told you JRE also available inside JDK only. Let me go and show you where JRE available. Just come out from the bin. You can see JRE here. Go inside JRE. This entire thing is nothing but JRE. Okay. Inside JRE, I told you we're having JVM, set of library files like rt.jar and other files as well. First, I will show you where is library files rt.jar. These are available inside lib folder. Go inside lib. You can see this is the library files. Out of in these library files, you can see the most one is rt.jar file. This rt.jar file contains the core classes. Core classes nothing but the Java Oracle guys. Whatever the predefined classes are available as part of Java, right? Those predefined classes, they may they compiled, and they compiled. After that compilation, whatever the dot class files they got it, they have placed all those dot class files in a separate jar file. That jar file is nothing but the rt.jar file. So I have told you the jar file contains the string dot class file and then string buffer dot class files. Let me go inside rt.jar and expand and see whether is it having any string class and string buffer classes are available or not. Click on this one, go to 7-zip, and then just open archive. Go inside, we're having one Java is there. Go inside Java, and then you can see lang package is there. Go inside lang. You can see here string class should be there. Let me go S here. Yeah, you can see string class. I told you, right? It's a predefined core class. That core class already they made here. They made it available here, and then string buffer is there, string builder is there, and string math class is there. These are all predefined classes from the Java. So all those predefined classes are available in this rt.jar file. That's why this rt.jar file is most important jar file inside JDK. And then coming to JVM, this JVM, I will show you where that JVM is available. You can see, go inside JRE, inside bin, you can see we will be having one command called Java here. See inside here the Java. When we execute the Java command, the Java command internally will start the JVM. So that's why when we are running the Java command, the Java command will go and start the JVM internally, and the JVM is responsible for running responsible for executing our code and displaying that response to the user. You got it right? Where is the JVM now? And then coming to other files, one more is there. Yeah, others file section is there, right? Here, apart from this Java, we're having other files as well. You can see rmid exe is there, and then ktab exe is there. Other exe files are also available, which are useful for our Java applications. Yeah, this is the information about the JDK and JRE. If you guys have any doubt on JDK and JRE, please mention those doubts in the comment sections. I will try to give reply. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more encouragement. Thank you so much, guys.